Hello grade 12s and welcome to the third segment of March test practice. Please take that down. So forgive me, 3.3 Roman numeral number 3, it was supposed to be K, not X. Forgive me, I just noticed the mistake now. So 3.1 states, open bracket 49 close bracket, plus open bracket 28x minus 7 close bracket, plus open bracket 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 close bracket, plus others, form a geometric sequence. So this is a sequence. So this is T1 or A, and then this is T2, then this is T3. Okay. 3.1.1 states, write down the common ratio R. So remember, R is T2 over T1. Okay, so it is going to be T2 is 28x minus 7. T1 is 49. What is the common factor in the numerator? It's 7. So we're going to have to factor out 7. 28x divided by 7 is 4x minus 7 divided by 7 is 1 over 49. So as we know, 7 divided by 49, you get 1 over 7. So the final answer, R, is equal to 4x minus 1 over 7. Alright, I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 3.1.2 states, determine the value or values of x for which the series will converge. Remember, the rule for convergence is R must lie in between -1 and 1. So -1 less than R less than 1. -1 less than R is 4x minus 1 over 7 less than 1. Multiply all sides by 7. We're going to get -7 less than 4x minus 1 less than 7. We add 1 everywhere. Okay, so -7 plus 1 is -6. 4x minus 1 plus 1 is 4x. 7 plus 1 is 8. Therefore, -6 divided by 4, -3 over 2. 4x over 4 is x. 8 over 4 is 2. So, in order for the series to converge, x must lay in between -3 over 2 and 2. Hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 3.1.3 states, calculate S infinity if x is equal to -half. Is it in between? Yes, it is. You have -3 over 2. Then you have -2 over 2, which is -1. Then you have -1 over 2. So it is in between. So A is 49. R is 4 times -half minus 1 over 7, which gives -3 over 7. Okay, so S infinity, A over 1 minus R, which is 49 over 1 minus -3 over 7, which is 49 over 1 minus R is -3 over 7 when A is -half. R is -3 over 7. You can write 34,3 or 343 over 10. Okay, I hope that was clear and I hope that made sense. And then 3.1.4 states, find the value of x if S infinity is equal to 171,5. Okay, so we start with the formula. S infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R. S infinity is 171,5. A is 49. 1 minus What is R? 4x minus 1 over 7. We're going to cross multiply. This times this is going to give us 171,5 1 minus 4x minus 1 over 7. 49 times 1 is 49. Then we divide both sides by 171,5. We're going to get 1 minus 4x minus 1 over 7. My mistake. 49 over 171,5. This comes here, this comes here. So x minus 1 over 7. Once again, cross multiply. We know that this is over 1. 1 times 4x minus 1 is 4x minus 1. This times this is 7 times 1 minus 49 over 171,5. Take this to the other side. It's going to be 4x 7 times 1 minus 49 over 171,5 plus 1. So x is this 7 times 1 minus 49 over 171,5 plus 1 all over 4. Over 2. X is 3 over 2. Let us see. Yeah, it's still in between. And let us see, S infinity is a 49 over 1 minus R is 4x, which is 3 over 2. 4x minus 1 over 7. 343, oh yeah, there it is, 171,5. Okay, I hope that wasn't too challenging. Please grin and bear with it. This one needs you to remember the basics. (3.2) states, Miss Aletta gave her 5 children 102,300 rands to share, such that their shares formed the terms of a geometric sequence. Their largest share was 64 times the second smallest share. Determine the amount each child received. Now this is a bit of a challenge, isn't it? So let's first read. Miss Aletta gave her 5 children 102,300 rands to share, such that their shares formed the terms of a geometric sequence. Okay, so we use this information. We're going to say T1, which is A, plus T2, AR, plus T3, AR squared, plus T4, AR cubed, plus T5, AR to the power 4, is equal to, this is the total, 102,300 rands. Okay. And then we are told that the largest share was 64 times the second smallest share. The largest share, 64 times the second smallest. We're going to assume that this is small, second smallest. So So T5 64 times T2. T5 is AR to the power 4, 64 AR. Divide both sides by AR. This goes, this goes, this goes, this goes. R to the power of 4 divide by R. Remember you have R to the power of 3. On the right we have this 64. So what is R? Cube root of 64. It's 4. We have found R. Now we substitute R back here. So it's going to be A plus 4, A plus, A 4 squared plus A 4 cubed plus A 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 102,300 rands. Okay, I know that's a bit confusing. A times 4 is 4A, so A plus 4A plus 4 squared (16). 16 times A is 16A plus 4 cubed 64. 64 times A is 64A plus 4 to the power of 4, 256. 256 times A is 256A. This is going to be 102,300 rands. So don't forget, coefficient is 1. They are like terms. So it's going to be 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 256, 341. 341A, 102,300 rands. Divide both sides by 341. 300 rands. So A is 300 rands. Okay, it's just that I ran out of space. Please forgive me. Now we need to write them in order. So we're going to assume that the first child got 300 rands. The second child, 300 rands times 4, 1,200 rands. Third child, 4,800 rands. The fourth child, 19,200 rands. The fifth child, 76,800 rands. Now let's see if we add 300 plus 1,200 plus 4,800 plus 19,200 plus 76,800. There it is, 102,300 rands. So we are correct. Okay, I know that it was a bit of a challenge and that it required you to apply yourself, but you need to make sense of the information that you were given and put it all into context. (3.3) states, given the geometric series 1331 plus 121k plus 11k squared plus others, Roman numeral number 1 states, calculate the value of T4. T4 is T3, sorry, I was supposed to label. This is T1, T2, T3. Remember, you always label. Okay. T4 is T3, which is 11k squared. R is T2, 121k over T1, which is 1331. 121 over 1331. 1 over 11. So R is 1 over 11k, or k over 11. This 11 cancels this 11. You have k to the power of 2 plus 1, which is k cubed. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 2 states, for which value or values of k will the series converge? We have just ascertained that R is T2 over T1, which is 121k over 1331, which is 1 over 11k, or k over 11. Rule for convergence, -1 less than R less than 1. So -1 less than 1 over 11k less than 1. We multiply everything by the reciprocal of 1 over 11, that's 11 over 1. -1 times 11 over 1 is -11. This 1 over 11k times 11 over 1 is k. 1 times 11 over 1 is 11. Okay, I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. So k must lie in between -11 and 11. Roman numeral number 3 states, calculate the sum to infinity of the series if k, it should be k is equal to -9. So this should be k. Okay, so S infinity a over 1 minus r. A is 1331. 1 minus r is 1 over 11k, so 1 over 11 times -9. I'm getting, wow, 732.05. You can give it in fraction form, which is 14,641 over 20. Okay, I know that may have been too challenging, especially 3.2, but if you apply yourself, you are bound to understand them. I apologize, guys, I haven't prepared part 4 of this test session because my laptop keeps switching off. Okay, however, if you found this helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.